Do it. Put your coins away, ladies and gents. Do it. If this is something that has been bothering you, because this isn't, I just woke up one day and I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to get a hair transplant. No, this is something that I was struggling with. The struggle is real. And I don't know if you guys inset pictures. Oh, and I wanted to just touch on when you said health, hair health and education. I think it's important to let like future customers and as clients rather, and past clients know that after the procedure, when it was safe to do so, I shaved my head bald, like bald. And we as black women know, especially where we weren't educated, or we are educated on relics, like things that don't wash your hair for 2-3 months, let it be dirty and da 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 da, and that just comes from needing oil. But
Yeah.
there's a healthier way of nourishing the scalp than leaving dirt piled on top, because you're right, you're choking your follicles. You're
Yes.
choking the scalp. It needs to be clean and fresh. Let the air hit it every once in a while so that your hair can grow and sprout. There is no such thing as my hair won't grow.
Exactly.
You are holding your hair back. I mean, unless again you have a medical condition and there's something else that's overpowering your hair not growing. But if not, and you're just a regular old girl, a regular old black girl that just has been, just living in this lie that our hair is this and that and ugly and doesn't grow, and but nonsense, nonsense. So when I shaved my head bald, and that was just because there was slower growth in the beginning. And my stylist was like, you need to learn again how to take care of your hair. So I did that, and then this is like a month, excuse me, a year and some change later. Um,
It looks beautiful.
and
It,
I have braided my hair,
loosely. Loosely.
but I don't leave it in the amount of weeks and months that I left it in before,
Good.
right? Especially, and there's no tension. Like, I don't care if the girl got halfway through my head. Soon as you come up here and I feel the pull, we've invested. We've
Yeah.
invested. So you don't want to disrespect not only the Dr. Siegel that has taken his time to see you and to do this procedure, but you don't want to disrespect yourself, right? So we want to take pride in how we take care of ourselves, but I do it. Now, leading to that last question, just do it. Like literally, I don't know how else to describe it. Like, like touching my hair here as opposed to touching my hair back here is life changing.
So I am gonna
Life.
I'm gonna have you put your chin down so they can see the top, and then also look to your left. Look straight at me and look to your left so we can see your edges. Wow. And we're gonna show the befores that we have, and the other way. Look to your right. Just again, your edges look amazing.
Like where? Where did you even perform the procedure? That's my question.
I don't know.
I don't want people to think this is fake. Like he really did do something to my hair.
I,
I have none of this. You see how I'm stroking this back? Let me get close up for y'all. Do you see this? And do you see the it's not like a hard
right.
angry hairline, right? We have gradient here. We have natural. Let me part this for you. Okay? Look. Look. Okay? My little grays.
We want
I
to.
know, right? For real, because I'm not that old. But yeah,
Well,
this is where I was touching my hair, y'all. Literally from here. I look like George Jefferson.
you look
But
at.
yeah, and I'm no longer afraid to just wear my hair. This is what we call like a pineapple.
Yep.
So look, he's like, I know. You don't got to tell me, huh, Dr. Siegel? You know.
My hair.
Dr. Siegel knows black women hair. If for nothing else, that's why you're choosing him. Do not go to another doctor that just knows hair.
Okay.
Yeah, he knows hair. This Dr. Siegel knows black women hair.
But
Okay.
and my team, I'm gonna say,
I'm sorry.
I'm
I
only
know. I cannot forget about the team.
Jenny and
I
Charlotte.
if you I was gonna wait, but I recorded my entire story. I have not posted it yet, but all the team members will be tagged. Everybody that is on the video, because I got them all. Because
Thank
I got them all. So you let them know that they're gonna have their 15 minutes of fame on my page too. But yeah, I mean, ladies and gents, like I don't even know. When you see the before pictures, you'll know.
Right. We
You'll
are
know.
definitely going to put the before and after pictures. You
You'll
look
know.
amazing.
And not to mention, and I can't believe you really have me with my hair out because I would never be like this. Um, and not to mention, like, you know, we get like, is it gonna grow? Is it gonna do this? Is it gonna fill in? It's light right here. It's
Oh my
like all of those. I know you must get that because I was definitely one of them. I was like, is it gonna come in? It looks kind of faint. I don't know about the density. And you were like, you're gonna be okay. I remember you saying, I'm
every,
salivating. That's what you said. You were like, I'm salivating at the final product because I know. And you were right. And you were right. So now I just take care of my hair. I allow it to grow. I do the braids. Like my birthday's coming up. So I'll have my hair braided for that. My biggest thing was my lace fronts and my wigs and the misappropriation of the hair glues, removing it, not, being sloppy. So mine wasn't really like the tension from braids because I couldn't sit that long for it. But those lace fronts, they got me. They got me good. So that's one thing I have not even touched, or I'm not even thinking of doing another lace front. But do it. Do it, do it, do it.
so you heard it from Dell. You have to go do it. I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I thank Dell so much for offering to do this video. She looks absolutely amazing, stunning. Stay online. I want to continue talking to you, but I'm going to
Okay.
say goodbye to all my Natural Transplant fans. And if you have any questions, please call us. Free consultations. Would love to answer any questions you have regarding a hair transplant. Again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Thanks so much.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.